Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Autumn. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to go to a treasure island in 2025. So this is actually items that I've gotten on treasure islands, all for free, no cost. I'm just showing you real quick, little examples of what we can get, and let's go to the airport. Now that we are in the airport, we will talk to Orville and we will want to fly. This next part, you will need Nintendo Online membership so you can go fly using the online play. For this next step, I will show you how to get a dojo code. You will need one. Not all the codes will be the same, so keep that in mind. I personally use Twitch. I just look up Twitch, Animal Crossing New Horizons. It's always the first one. And as you can see, as you scroll down, there will be a lot of different channels with different codes. A lot of them are filled, so it does take time to get to them. But I ended up just choosing this one and picking a code from the list here. Again, none of the codes will be the same as in the video, so don't try them, please. Just go look at the live stream for an updated code. It may take time, so please be patient, and once you're in, it will let you fly. This channel right here is my favorite. I use this one the most often. It has flowers, shrubs, paintings, bugs, tools, fossils, pretty much a lot of stuff that you would need to start out your island at least. As you can see here, everything is free. All you have to do is grab it and put it in your pockets. These are all the shrubs that you can pick from. I personally have the tea olive ones and the I can't remember off the top of my head, but these are all the flowers that you can choose from. They have every single flower. And as you can tell, people come and go, so again, please be patient. You can also look on the map and see which villagers they have on the island. Those villagers are usually in boxes. You will need an open plot if you want to grab those villagers. I actually didn't need anything for this video. I just came to show you guys how to use one. So I'm actually going back to the airport. Always, always, always use the airport. Never, never, never use the minus button on the top left. Please do not ever do that. It will ruin the gameplay for everyone else. If you guys have any questions about how to use the treasure island, feel free to comment down below. I will answer them for you. I will be having a new island series coming soon. My new island, Finjan. It's inspired by Bridgerton and the show Empress on Netflix. Both really good. Recommend those. And yeah, let's do my outro really quick. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Every time I get a viewer, it makes me really happy. I enjoy making videos and content. Again, I have a new series coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you next time. Bye.